You now know how to create basic content, but you will need to include more information on a Joomla page, such as menus and additional text. These are handled by modules, which are explained in this lesson.
In this lesson, you'll learn how to create a new module and assign it to pages throughout your site. There are various modules built into Joomla, and these are accessed by logging into Administrator and going to Extensions Module Manager. This is the list of Joomla modules that are included with the sample data. Some are currently disabled, as indicated by a red circle. Let's start by creating a menu module to display the menu that was created in the previous lesson. Click New, and a pop-up window appears displaying the module types currently available. When you install third-party extensions, more options may appear in this list. Click Menu, and you're returned to the main window. Enter a name for the menu. In the right column, click the Select Menu drop-down box and choose the appropriate menu. There is one more setting that needs to be specified. If you recall from the front-end lesson, a Joomla template comprises several boxes called positions. You need to tell Joomla which position should be used to display the module. This is discussed in more detail in the templates lesson. For now, just take my word for it that this Joomla template has a position in the left named Position 7. Click the Select Position button and scroll through the list until you find the appropriate position. Click it to return to the main window, and then click Save and Close. Go to the front end and refresh the page. The new menu type has been added to the left, and it includes the menu item that was created in the previous lesson. Clicking this link takes you to a page displaying that article. Let's return to Module Manager in Administrator. As each type of module provides a unique function, the process of creating a module can vary. The basics are always the same though. Click New. Choose the module type. In this case, let's choose Custom HTML. Enter a title. And select the position to display the module. Then enter any other settings applicable to the module. With this particular module, you can enter text or images into the text box, much like a normal article. Once you save the module and refresh the front end, you'll see the new content. Modules can be displayed on all pages or just pages you specify. Let's return to the Custom HTML module. Scroll down and you'll see a large section labelled Menu Assignment. By default, when you create a module, it is set to On All Pages, meaning that the module will be displayed on every page of the site. To change this, set the option to Only on the pages selected. You then select the pages where the module should appear. You can start with no pages selected by clicking Toggle Selection. Then choose the menu relating to the pages you want to select. In this example, let's choose the About Joomla menu and the first two pages, Getting Started and Using Joomla. Select those boxes and save. Now return to the home page of the site and note that the Contact Us module has disappeared from the left column. But it does appear on the About Joomla Getting Started and Using Joomla pages. There is one last thing to consider with modules. Let's say you want to change the display order of your modules. This is done using the Order column. Let's make this a bit easier to work with by changing the position filter to position 7. Let's say that you always want the Contact Us module to appear at the top of the column. You achieve this using the Ordering column. This feature needs to be initially activated by clicking the actual word Ordering at the top of the column. At that point, you have a choice of two methods. You can either repeatedly click either the up or down arrowhead to move the module into your desired position. Or, better still, you can manually enter a number. And click this little icon here that looks like a disk. That refreshes the list and positions everything accordingly. Have a look at the front end, refresh, and you'll see that the Contact Us module is now fixed to the top of the column. Up until now, our content has been just text, but images are essential on any website, so in the next lesson, I'll show you how to insert them into your articles and modules.
If your organisation is a club, school or church, or an information product business, then you need a membership site. Our Joomla Pro course teaches you how to build an online community and/or make money with membership sites. This training is part of our Joomla Pro course. Head over to the website now by clicking the link or button that you should find on this page. Start making money or interacting better with your community by becoming a Joomla Pro today.